The engine's roaring down this back road home. Dust kicking up, I ain't riding alone. Got my brothers with me till the day I'm gone. Country blood pumping, this is where we're from. 16 years old when daddy lost his job. Plant shut down, left us hurting hard and raw. But we learned to fight with calloused hands and heart. Built ourselves up from the ground, made our own start. Trucks may be rusted, but our spirit runs clean. Cold beer in the cooler, American dream. Muddy boots stomping on this gravel road, carrying forward what our grandfathers showed. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Small town kings with our feet on the ground. Brothers ride together through the good and bad. Dirt road family, best thing that we ever had. Engines loud, hearts proud, this is who we are. Country boys beneath the southern stars. Friday night, bonfire and bright and high. Stars above us in that big black country sky. Stories about the ones that came before our time. Outlaw blood running through this family line. There's all fire burning bright and high. Stars identic, decline country style. Stored bulls that came before our time. Working sunrise to sunset, earning what we keep. Loyal to the land that runs 1,000 deep. Flag waving in the wind above our sacred ground. Freedom ain't free, but here it can be found. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Small town kings with our feet on the ground. Brothers ride together through the good and bad. Dirt road family, best thing that we ever had. Engines loud, hearts proud, this is who we are. Country boys beneath the southern stars. When the world gets heavy and the road gets rough, we got each other and that's more than enough. These roots run deeper than the tallest tree. Brotherhood born from necessity. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Small town kings with our feet on the ground. Brothers ride together through the good and bad. Dirt road family, best thing that we ever had. Engines loud, hearts proud, this is who we are. Country boys beneath the southern stars. Dirt road brothers till the very end. On this country blood you can depend. Listen up, hold for coffee, gravel under wheels. Yellow lines flicker heading out past the fields. 6-pack on ice, got the window dust on my boots, I ain't looking for a crowd. Sun burning low, old problems in the rear. Ain't been home in weeks, but tonight I'm here. Heart heavy, thinking about the fight at home. Mama's prayers and that brother I ain't spoke to in months. Flag flapping hard off the post by the barn. Cold beer, blue smoke curling under my arm. I'm beat up, scarred, got nothing to lose. Found peace out here with the mud and the bruise. Engines loud, hearts proud, I ain't backing down. Last call at the county line, no one else around. Where the bonfires burning, letting grudges die. I raise my bottle up and holler at the sky. Couple old friends, truck lights cutting through haze. Scars on our knuckles and lines on our face. We ain't saint devils, just holding our ground. Shouting those songs like nobody's around. Brothers in trouble, we've been mean, we've been kind. Sometimes the way back home's the hardest to find. Phone keeps buzzing, leave the shit alone. All I got tonight is this fire in these bones. Flag flapping hard off the post by the barn. Cold beer, blue smoke curling under my arm. I'm beat up, scarred, got nothing to lose. Found peace out here with the mud and the bruise. Engines loud, hearts proud, I ain't backing down. Last call at the county line, no one else around. Where the bonfires burning, letting grudges die. I'll raise my bottle up and holler at the sky. Your headlights cross and see my brother rolling. No words exchanged, just a nod, let it begin. We both done wrong, but out here it's true. Wounds can heal under smoke in the southern moon. Engines loud, hearts proud, I ain't backing down. Last call at the county line, no one else around. Where the bonfires burning, letting grudges die. I'll raise my bottle up without a battle cry. Fire crackling, engines cooling down. I'll find my way home next time around. Moon up, wind cut, motor gnaws the silence, edging nowhere, hungry for the night shift guidance. Boots cake, flannel rough, leaning on my reckless. Gravel spits, I'm shoving luck, wishing for a message. Brother riding shotgun, heat on the dash. Old friends callous laugh, taught me how to crash. Shadow in the tailgate, ain't fear, ain't pride. Heart got dense, man, I just let them ride. Cicadas fill the emptiness, buzzing on our scars. Ashtray full of yesterday's bruises for guitars. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Flags wave, bonfire blaze, flames lighting up this town. Muddy boots, rebel roots, living raw wild. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Creek runs red, whole crew kicks up dust. Outlaw bloodline whistling just to trust. Ice chest sweats by shotgun, one hand, cold can boot print on a bumper, market like a brand. Old scars fresh, stitched by the road. Steel strings moaning, pain's currency old. Ain't golden roads, just potholes and grinds. Salute the flag as trouble unwinds. Harmonicas haunt the headlights, echo off the pines. Ghosts of better choices slip beneath the signs. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Flags wave, bonfire blaze, flames lighting up this town. Muddy boots, rebel roots, living raw wild. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Squad wide awake, outlaw hearts break. Crackling fire mixes hopes and mistakes. Swear I feel something pulling me away, but boots stomp harder, here's where I'll stay. Engines hearts, never backing down. Repeat it till sunrise, echo off the ground. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Flags wave, bonfire blaze, flames lighting up this town. Muddy boots, rebel roots, living raw and wild. Engines loud, hearts proud, sneak, never backing down, still stomping through the creek. Yeah, windows down, dust rising. Don't need much, just the sky and the fire. Hey. Boots dirty from last night, mud on the dash. Six-pack in the bed, never empty, never ask. Gravel bites the tires, tailgate drags slow. Ain't waiting for permission, kicking up smoke. Flags waving wild out the window, sun dying red, that's the tempo. Don't know your shit and you damn well know. Don't ask questions, just let it roll. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Outlaw breathing, every damn reason raised in this town. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Flags wave, we misbehave. Bonfire burning the doubt. No, yeah, we just down here. Hell no, we don't back down. Brothers in the truck bed, load another round. Cold beer cracking, fucking let it sound. Twang in my spit, south in my veins. Got blood on my name, won't wash, won't change. Gasoline breath lighting it up. Crickets sing louder, don't give a fuck. If you ain't from here, you'll never get us. Rebel spawn blood and it's thick as rust. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Outlaw breathing, every damn reason raised in this town. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Flags wave, we misbehave. Bonfire burning the doubt. Fuck it, we run wild. Paint the dirt. Hands in the air, trouble don't hurt. Ride it till sunrise, that's the curse. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Outlaw breathing, every damn reason raised in this town. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Flags wave, we misbehave. Bonfire burning the doubt. Hey brother, mud on my boots, send your laughter in the air. Steel string hum, cicada buzzing, fire crackling somewhere. Tailgate low and the sun dips slow behind the pine. Kicking dust, I raise my cup, one good heartbeat at a time. You call me out, I show up proud, truck tires chewing clay. Flags whip hard, freedom scars, we're built for what comes our way. Lord, as they come, we stand and fight for every mile. Rolling down these roads, outlaw blood runs wild. Engines loud, burning through the dusk and dawn. All these nights striking clean up what's gone. Cold beer race, brotherhood blaze, bonfires glowing, outlaw lines, rebel signs, country wind blowing. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Never backing down. Southern sky above us, keeping our ground. Never backing down. Your family here, so I keep you near when the hard times bite. Tough as roots, we wear the truth by that bonfire light. Working hands, rebel brands, dirty boots that never quit. This country blood, that's brotherhood, in every line we commit. Flags in the wind, spirits never broke. Every shout, every doubt turned into smoke. Side by side, rolling high through every fight. Brother, this is life in the southern night. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Engines loud, hearts proud, living for this town. Cold beer race, brotherhood blaze, bonfires glowing, outlaw lines, rebel signs, country wind blowing. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing. Singing strong, backing down, never backing down. Southern sky above us, keeping our ground, never backing down. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Yeah. We them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, muddy boots and everything, we them dirt road kings. Born where the gravel meets the clay, raised on the back roads every day. Trucks roll deep through the Georgia pines, brotherhood forged in county lines. Cold beer chilling in the summer heat, bonfire burning where the rebels meet. We them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, never gon' change, gon' change, never gon' change. We them dirt road kings, engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. We them dirt road kings, American flags waving all around the town. We them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, born to wear the crown. Tailgate parties under starlit skies, freedom running through our battle cries. Working hands in outlaw blood, kicking up that southern mud. Steel guitar screaming through the night, brothers ready for any fight. We them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, this is our domain, this is our domain. We them dirt road kings, engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. We them dirt road kings, American flags waving all around the town. We them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, born to wear the crown. We them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, muddy boots stomping, baseline dropping, we them dirt road kings. From the holler to the interstate, we carry on our daddy's way. Rebel spirit in our veins through the sunshine, and we them dirt road kings. We them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. We them dirt road kings, American flags waving all around the town. We them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings, born to wear the crown. We them dirt road kings, we them dirt road kings. Yeah, we them dirt road kings. We them dirt road kings. Yeah. Crack that can, cicadas buzzing around the flames. Smoke curl, tailgate drop, fuck it, turn it up again. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Raise that flag, light it up, whole town wild now. Yo, boots, muddy, fists, stomping sacred ground. Engines loud, hearts proud, louder than the fire now. Fire now. Middle finger out the window, sweat on the brow. You talking sideways, don't know my crowd. Trucks line, beers cold, stars saying we're wrong. But out here respects what you earn, what you hold, not a song. See that smoke? See that smoke? Can't touch this pride. You fuck with blood, then you gon' ride. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Raise that flag, light it up, whole town wildin' now. Boots, muddy, fists, stomping sacred ground. Engines loud, hearts proud, louder than the fire now. Mano fuertes, tierra ardiendo, no me caigo, sigo corriendo. Brothers juntos, sangre corriendo, grito libre, nunca miento. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Raise that flag, light it up, whole town wild now. Yeah. Boots, muddy, fists, stomping sacred ground. Engines loud, hearts proud, louder than the fire now. We here to stay. Smoke rises up as the guitars play. Crackling embers, voices shout, louder than fire is what we about. Came up from the crawfish creeks and cotton fields. Daddy's backyard taught me what the Bible never yields. Mom was mason jars lined up like soldiers on the shelf. Built this bulletproof backbone by my damn self. Now they wanna know my name, but they can't pronounce the pain. Southern syllables and scars written in the mud and stars. Got that muddy crown, king of every backwood battleground. Boots stay dirty, head held high, muddy crown until the day I die. Muddy crown, never gonna let my people down. Roots run deep, pride runs wild, muddy crown. This country child, I remember sneaking sit from granddaddy's mason jar while he told me stories about that Civil War. He said, boy, you better learn what blood and sweat can buy. Now I'm spitting fire with their rebel battle cry. Now they won't know my name, but they can't pronounce the pain. Southern syllables and scars written in the mud and stars. Got that muddy crown, king of every backwood battleground. Boots stay dirty, head held high, muddy crown until the day I die. Muddy crown, never gonna let my people down. Roots run deep, pride runs wild, muddy crown for this country child. wearing scars like a sacred crown. Every callus tells a story, every scar shows southern glory. Got that muddy crown, king of every backwood battleground. Stay dirty, head held high, muddy crown until the day I die. Muddy crown, never gonna let my people down. Roots run deep, pride runs wild. Muddy crown, for this country child. Muddy crown, this country child won't back down. Engines rumbling under moon, fire crackling slow. Banjo looping, boots thumping, rhythm through the rows. Engines rumbling under moon, fire crackling slow. Banjo looping, boots thumping, rhythm through the rows. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Flags up, clouds out, brothers rally round. Mud flying, steel grinding wild all through town. Country blood stand tall, never backing down. Beds loaded, rusty red boots in the dust. Skin tight, outlaw blood, country run through us. Beers in the cooler, cicada choir in the reeds. Loyal few riding close, rebel roots in the weeds. Wheels twist, tailgate up, American wind sings. Bonfire flickers, rolling moonlight off the reins. Cold hearts, hard hands, keeping scars in the ground. Freedom ride, shotgun, prize circling round. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Flags up, clouds out, brothers rally round. Mud fire, steel grinding wild all through town. Country blood stand tall, never backing down. Stamp on the pedal, dirt road bent like fate. Outlaw, painted spirit, never choose escape. Night comes easy when fire burns strong. Boots crunch, gravel, trouble sings along. Crank up the harmonica, steel well slow. Banjos grip the thunder, engines let it go. Hands up, 6 deep, bruised but never broke. Brotherhood roaring, flag wave, fire and smoke. Born from the sweat, built on grit. Small town soul, never quit. American veins, beating high. Rebel as the stars, give it all I got. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Flags up, clouds out, brothers rally round. Your mud fly, steel grinding wild all through town. Country blood stand tall, never backing down. No. Yeah. Never backing down. Banjo sing, engines ring, flags fly proud. Boots in the mud, bonfires crowd. Woo! Always told me about the blood that runs deep. Brother, you the one that makes these promises keep. When the world gets heavy and the bills stack high, brother, you the reason that I hold my head high. Every dawn that breaks, every setting sun, brother, you the only one when all is said and done. These hands stay dirty, but my word stays clean. Brother, you the realest soul I ever seen. Brother, you my backbone when I'm falling apart. Brother, you the fire that keeps burning my heart. When the thunder rolls and the rain comes down, brother, you the only king wearing this crown. Brother, you the anchor when I'm lost at sea. Brother, you the only one believing in me. Brother, when you stumble on that gravel road, brother, I'm the one who helps you carry the load. Every scar you carry, every battle you fought, Brother, every lesson that life ever taught. Brother, when they doubt you, when they count you out. Brother, I'm the voice that drowns away their doubt. Through the storm and fury, through the calm and peace. Brother, you my soldier, you my centerpiece. Brother, you my backbone when I'm falling apart. Brother, you the fire that keeps burning my heart. When the thunder rolls and the rain comes down. Brother, you the only king wearing this crown. Brother, you the anchor when I'm lost at sea. Brother, you the only one believing in me. Brother, when the morning comes, brother, we ain't ever done. Brother, till our race is run, brother, we stand as one. Brother, through the thick and thin, brother, we gon' always win. Brother, where your story ends, brother, mine begins again. Brother, you the reason I keep pushing forward. Brother, you the power that keeps moving toward every dream we painted on these bedroom walls. Brother, you the one who answers when destiny calls. Brother, when they write our names in history's book, brother, they gon' see the strength that nobody took. Brother, you the legend that they'll always tell. Brother, you the reason that I know it well. Brother, you my backbone when I'm falling apart. Brother, you the fire that keeps burning my heart. When the thunder rolls and the rain comes down, brother, you the only king wearing this crown. Brother, you the anchor when I'm lost at sea. Brother, you the anchor when I'm lost at sea. Brother, you the only one believing in me. Brother, when the sun goes down, brother, you still hold the crown. Brother, till we leave this town, brother, we won't make a sound. Brother, you the one I trust. Brother, through the wind and dust. Brother, when it's all said and done, brother, you're my only one.